In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is a fantastic tool for digitalizing your documents with ease, turning paper into PDFs pretty quickly, whether you're working from a laptop or desktop. Let's dive in and get you started. First things first, you'll need to launch the Adobe Scan application on your laptop or desktop. This should be a straightforward step. Just locate the application icon, give it a double click, and you're all set to begin. If you haven't installed the app yet, you'll need to head to the Adobe website or your app store to download it before proceeding. Once you're in the app, you'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll be prompted to enter the email address and password associated with your Adobe account. This is critical as it allows Adobe to manage your preferences and save your scans to the cloud for easy access later. Make sure you input the correct credentials to avoid any hiccups. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it right there on the screen. After signing in, look for an option labeled All Tools. Clicking on this will make it easier to navigate toward the specific features you want to use within the application. Adobe bundles many of its solutions in one place, making everything you need conveniently accessible. Once you've selected All Tools, you'll need to find Scan. This is the feature we're focusing on today, and it'll allow you to start turning your paperwork into digital files. Adobe often updates the app interface, so if you don't see it immediately, don't panic. Take a moment to explore the menu. When you find the Scan option, you'll be presented with two primary choices. You can either select a file that's already on your device or choose to scan a new document. If you have a paper document you wish to scan, this second option will be the way to go. If scanning a new document is your choice, make sure your laptop or desktop is connected to a scanner. This might be a flatbed or a document feeder. The type of equipment typically doesn't matter as long as it's connected properly and can communicate with your computer. Next, you'll need to choose one of the available scan settings. Different settings might be offered in terms of resolution or color options. A higher resolution is generally better if your priority is detail over speed, while color scanning is essential if your document contains images or colored text. After selecting your preferred settings, an option to click Scan will appear. Click this, and the application should start the scanning process. It will run through and digitize your document, converting it into PDF format, a process that should be seamless and quick. And that's it. With these steps, you're now capable of signing in and starting to scan documents using Adobe Scan, making your transition to digital document management a whole lot smoother. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to streamline your workflows using Adobe tools.